Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video will show you how to use the UniRC 7 Pro joystick to control camera movements. The UniRC 7 Pro remote controller features a newly added joystick design, allowing users to customize its functions for controlling gimbals and more. Combined with the two original large joysticks, it offers more convenient and versatile control. We'll demonstrate how to use this joystick to rotate the camera. The video is divided into three main sections: what products will be used in this test, how to connect the wires, how to demonstrate the results. What products will be used in this test? The products used in this test are UniRC 7 Pro, CN7, CA8. The cables used are XT60 to XT30 cable, S.bus splitter cable, A8 power cable, A8 video transmission cable, USB cable, N7 power module. How to connect the wires. The A8 connector is GH 1.259 pin, and the UniRC 7 Pro connector is GH 1.258 pin. Connect the A8 video transmission port to the LAN 1 port of the UniRC 7 Pro. The S.bus connector on the UniRC 7 Pro Air unit is split into two. One end connects to the signal control port of the A8, with the A8 connector being GH 1.255 pin. The other end connects to the RC port of the N7, with the N7 connector being a DuPont 2.543 pin. The N7 power module supplies power to the N7. The A8 connector is SH 1.254 pin, and the power connector is XT30. Next, connect the power cable to the A8. Finally, connect the UniRC 7 Pro Air unit to the power supply. The power port connector is XT30. How to demonstrate. After connecting the wires, we turn on the remote controller and the built-in ground station. Click on the top right corner, find the channel settings, and move the small joystick. You will see that the small joystick controls channels 6 and 7. Next, connect the A8 to the computer using a USB cable. In the Siege Assistant software, we can modify the control channels for the A8. We change the control channels for yaw and pitch to channels 7 and 6, then click Save. After reopening the ground station, we can control the A8's movement by using the small joystick. This concludes the test. Thank you for watching. For more information, please follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.